Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to disable Chrome auto updates in Windows 11. While keeping Chrome updated is recommended for security reasons, sometimes you might want to prevent automatic updates due to limited bandwidth, compatibility issues, or other reasons. Before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tech tips. Let's dive in. First, open the Run dialog box, type services.msc and hit Enter. In the Services window, scroll down to find Google Update Service, or click anywhere and type Google. It will take you to where the Google services start. Right-click the Google Updater internal service item or double-click it to open it. Set Startup Type to Disabled and click Apply. Do the same to the next item and set the Startup Type to Disabled and click Apply. This will stop Chrome from checking for updates automatically, and that's it. Now, you know how to disable Chrome auto updates on Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more awesome tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one in the